What's up guys? All good? My name is Henry. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the deep reset before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the deep reset works. What is the deep reset, really? At its core, the deep reset is a guided digital wellness program designed to help users shift out of stress mode and into a more balanced mental state. It doesn't rely on supplements, pills, or complicated routines. Instead, it focuses on the connection between the mind and body. The program typically includes structured sessions that use calming audio, breathing techniques, and mindset-focused guidance. These sessions are meant to be followed regularly, allowing users to gradually retrain how they respond to stress. What makes it appealing is its simplicity. There's no need for special equipment or a prior experience. You just need a quiet moment and a willingness to engage. Why programs like this are gaining popularity? The rise of programs like the Deep Reset isn't accidental. People are becoming more aware of how chronic stress affects everything, from sleep and focus to emotional stability. Mental fatigue has become one of the most common complaints in today's fast-paced environment. Even when people get enough sleep, they often wake up feeling tired. Even when they try to relax, their minds keep racing. This is where the idea of a reset becomes powerful. Instead of pushing harder, the goal shifts towards slowing down and recalibrating. The Deep Reset taps into this need by offering a structured way to unwind and regain clarity, which explains why so many are curious about whether it truly works. How the Deep Reset approaches mental calm. The program doesn't promise instant transformation, and it's actually one of its more realistic aspects. Instead, it focuses on gradual change through consistent practice. A key part of its approach is calming the nervous system. When the body is stuck in a constant state of alertness, it becomes difficult to think clearly or feel relaxed. Through guided sessions, the Deep Reset encourages the body to shift into a calmer, more restorative state. Breathing plays an important role here. Slow, intentional breathing can signal the brain that it's safe to relax. Combined with guided audio and mental cues, this creates an environment where the mind can finally slow down. Over time, these small shifts can add up to noticeable improvements in how a person feels and responds to daily stress.